Hi guys, welcome back. Let's create a pattern for a box in CorelDRAW, a designing program. So let's say I want to create a lollipop shape, and then it gets duplicated and rotated so that the duplications form a floral looking pattern. And then the pattern can be printed out, and then you carve the box, which is the material of the box, and then you can sell the box. So first make the pattern. Click on the Polygon tool, set the number of sides to 8, hold the Ctrl and the Shift keys, drag it just like this, set the angle of rotation to 22.5. And then click on the Ellipse tool, hold the Ctrl and the Shift keys, place your cursor on the node, drag it just like this until it meets with the midpoint of a side of the octagon. Copy and paste this, just like so. And then, make it small, just like this. Copy and paste this, drag it here, and then afterwards, click on the Ellipse tool, hold the Ctrl and the Shift keys, drag it just like this until it meets with this quadrant. Same goes here. And then, when you're done, you simply just, head over to trim, and then trim the outer circle just like this. And then copy and paste this. Select them all, copy, paste, and then copy, paste. Set the angle of rotation to 90 degrees. Place the center point here, copy and paste this, place the center point here, and then afterwards, select these, and then, actually we need to create the rectangles. Make the width the same as the width of the, this ring. And then afterwards, you rotate it like back to 0 degrees. And then put the midpoint here, extend it, and then make sure that it lies around here. And then, afterwards, copy and paste this, rotate it like 45 degrees, copy and paste this, rotate it 90 degrees, copy and paste this, and then rotate it 135 degrees. And then delete the octagon, select them all, head over to Weld, click on Weld 2, and then you're done combining them all. And then let's, make several duplications of it. Alright, now, place it like this. Hold the Shift key to drag it just like so. And then make a guideline, intersection, and then, hold on. Do it like this, hold the Shift key so that a horizontal line is formed, and then you simply just, hold on. Select these, and then make sure that it meets, hold on. Make sure that it meets here, just like so. Delete this. And then same goes for this one. Control C, Control V, rotate it 90 degrees, and then you simply just place it around here. Delete this, and then copy and paste this, and then place this one here. Delete this, and then select them all, click on Weld 2, and then you're done. And then afterwards, you simply just, wait a second. Okay. Hold the Shift key so that you can make this horizontal line. Copy and paste this. Place the node here. And then do the same. Select them all. Control C, Control V. Set the rotation value to 90 degrees. And then place it here. And then create a rectangle. Starting from here. And then when you're done, delete the guidelines. Just like this. And then all you do is to select these, and then head over to trim, and then you're done creating this pattern. Looks fancy, isn't it? You can color it with any color that you want, just like this. And then you can print it out, and then you can actually, place it on the surface of the wood, and then you can actually cut the wood. That's how you can create a pattern for a box in CorelDRAW, a designing program just like this. Thank you for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's a good day. Ciao.